Alright guys, I want to make this video to show you how to set up your virtualbox. So, so the first thing you have to do is to download VM virtualbox. You can do that on their site. So make sure you go to their site, which is virtualbox.org. .org. So depending on the operating system you're using, I'm using Windows, so you download this one. You click on the Windows host. So when you download that, you open it up. This is what you're going to see. You're not going to see this, okay? This is one I created and used for the Taiko node. So you won't be seeing this. Yours will be fresh. So to create your um system, just click on new. Sorry, mine is in Spanish. Take note of that. So you're going to see new here. Okay? So you give it a name. Okay? Most times you give the name according to the system you want to use. Okay, you see, by typing Ubuntu, okay, or you see I created mine, I named it nodes or whatever name you want to give to it. Ubuntu nodes. I used a drive that has enough space. I have three, so I use this one like about 2 terabytes. So I use this because, like I said, it's about 2 terabytes. Then I created a folder inside. So the next thing you have to do is to download the ISO file. Okay. So to do that, you can go to um Ubuntu site and download the file from there. It's best to go directly to their site and not any other place. So you come here and download the Ubuntu desktop. Take note, desktop, not server. Okay, because the desktop is one that has the graphical interface. The server is just pure codes. So we're going to be downloading the Ubuntu desktop. So you can download this one, which is the one I'm using, 22.042 LTS. You just click on download, you download it. Take note that the file is very very big. Okay, so it will take some time. Once you downloaded the ISO file, it's going to look like this. This is how the file looks like. You see it? This is how the file looks like. So this is it here. So once you've seen it, just leave it there. Once you've come here, when you get to this place, ISO image, you click on this drop down. I already used mine, that's why it's here, but let me show you how to look it. You come here, you look at the file here, you click on it, okay? Then you go to next. You come here, a name of your choice and a password of your choice. Sorry, 1 minute. Alright guys, so you put in the password you want, okay? Alright, so go to the next. So for the hardware, it's gonna depend on the capacity of your PC. But for mine I used three. You understand? So I think I used about somewhere around here. So and I increase the CPU to 2. Okay, you can see I have um see the 12, so I increase it to 2. Then here I use something around it. So for the hard disk drive, I used 80 gig. Okay, right. I have 2 terabytes, so I used 80. Okay, like I said, depends on your PC. So okay, then go to the next, look at the settings we've put up, and we'll finish it up. So when we're done with that, we'll come to this. Yours is going to be in English, like I said, it's going to be settings. So you click on the settings. We're going to go to the network. Okay, we're going to go to the network, and instead of NAT, I'm going to use bridge. Okay, you're going to see yours. It will be bridge adapter. So the reason I'm using bridge is because I wanted to take a new IP address and other things. So I'm going to be using no, not really internet bridge. Okay, so I'm going to accept that. Go back to the settings and go to the storage. Like I said, yours will be in English. So go to the storage, and here you click on it. Okay, you click on this there. You come here to this circle. Okay, this is here because I've used it before. So we're going to select your disk file. Okay, and we're going to select this. Okay, and that is that. And we're going to click on accept. Okay, then we're going to. Oh, it's already running. Mm, okay, I'm going to stop this, and I'm going to run it all over. So we're going to click on try or install. Okay, use your keyboard. Just enter on try and install. Wait for that to run. So give it time. I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm just gonna pause it. All right, so this is what you're going to see. Just gonna run up the setup. You click on install. Okay, install Ubuntu. Then we're gonna go for English. Okay, English UK precisely. I'm gonna click on continue. So we're gonna go for the normal installation. Okay, and make sure this is ticked. Download updates while installing Ubuntu. We're gonna click on continue. Okay, so we're going to erase disk and install Ubuntu. This is just going to erase the disk, and it's just going to erase the disk and install Ubuntu inside, just in case there's anything in the disk. So it and install. So click on install now. Click on continue. Okay, I'm going to set this up to Spain. So I'm going to be using Spain time. Click on continue. Wherever your location is, you use it. So you're going to choose a name. going to go for my name and checking. Then I'm going to change the um sorry, 1 minute. Let me close this. It's making my PC to lag because I have a lot of windows opened, so I think it's eating up my RAM. Coupled with what I'm doing, windows are too much. Okay, so I have to close that. So for the computer's name, I'm going to use um Alishikin Node 2. Okay. For password, choose any password of your choice. So I'm going to log in automatically. I don't want it to be asking me for password when I'm trying to log in. So I'm going to click on continue. So we're going to give this some time. It's going to take some time. I don't know. It's going to take some time. So I'm just going to pause this video. Alright guys, so that is done. So we have to restart the system. So restart it and give it some time to do its thing. So when you get to this place, what you have to do is turn off the machine, okay, and restart it. Alright guys, so once you've done that, turn it off at that point when you get that error message. Just skip all this. Skip for now. No, don't send it. System info, next, and done. So here we have our virtual machine. There's a way to make this bigger. There's a way to make this bigger, but we won't be diving into that now because it's a lot of steps. There's a way to make this actually bigger. See if this will run. So there's a way to make the box bigger. If you want, I can send the code, but I won't be doing that in this video. So here you have your virtual box setup. So to run the codes that I have sent in the file, what you need is your terminal. What you need is your terminal. So you come here and look for your terminal, or you just use Control Alt T. Okay, that's the short code for opening the terminal. You see it here. So this is where you'll be running all the codes I sent. Okay, the first thing you have to do is the first code, which is to update and upgrade your system. That's the first code. So all you have to do is type in the codes. Okay, if you're wondering, okay, how will I copy and paste the codes, what you have to do is an example is what I did. Go to your Firebox web browser, log in your Gmail or your Google Drive or whatever. Okay, so you would have saved up the file I sent in your Google Drive or in your mail. So all you have to do is enter Firefox here and download the file into your system, then put it um in your home page. Okay, you put it in your home page. So the file will be here so that you can just open the file down and be copying and be pasting into the terminal. Just be running the codes one by one, one by one, one by one. So the first thing you have to do, like I said, there are some keywords that I think are necessary if you need it. You see this sign here, this one here is this one here in the middle is your home. Okay, so if you want to change from home, you can change directory, or you want to list, for instance, ls is to list the files that you have in your home. These are the files you have in your home. Okay, so let's say I want to change directory to my desktop. I'll just click on cd means to change directory. So then I will change directly to my desktop. If I click on ls, it will list it is on my desktop. Right now I don't have anything. What else? Sudo is used to be a super user. That's what gives you permission to do things that you cannot do. So if you want to do something and it's not allowing you to do it, you can use sudo. Okay. What else? ls is actually to, I think ls means list short. To list long is ll. Okay, this one lists files that normally you cannot see. Okay, so what else can I explain? This drwxr, they are permissions. Okay, r is read, w is write, x is I think share. I can't remember very well, but they are permissions. This way you actually can know the permissions that you have. Okay, what else? cd dot dot is to go back to your home. So that is that. What else can we list? Okay, if you want to create a file, you use Nano. Nano is the editor that I use on Ubuntu. So let's say I say Nano new file. It's going to create a new file for me. Let's say I write in here I love you. To save is control O. To save is control O. It's going to ask you the name you want to save the file with. I'm going to save with new file 1. Then control X. When you type in new file 1, you click enter. You click on save file under different name. Yes, with Y. That's because I changed the name. Then you click on control X. Okay. So if you click on ls this time around, you see the file we created, which is new file 1. Though I don't think you're going to be needing all this. All you have to do is copy and paste the codes I've put in the file. But just in case you come across a problem, these are, I think I can say, the basic commands that you might need. So you can see all the documents I have on my um on the virtual machine. Like I said, there's a way to make this bigger, but I don't really think we should be going into that in this video. Since it's just you, the small screen is enough. The VirtualBox has um some qualities, like you can share a file from your main PC to the VirtualBox. You can do that here in shared files. You can share a file from your computer to this place. It should be in your slash mnt. You can copy and paste. You can do different things, but that doesn't matter. Like I said, just focus on getting the file into here by using Firefox, like I advised. Then you just be copying and pasting the code. So if you come across any issues, you can contact me. So that's basically how to set up your VirtualBox for running your crypto nodes. So this is just the basic. I'll try and make some videos for the nodes. So hopefully this video is helpful.